Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some frozen sausage in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. A lot of times when fresh sausage like this gets near the expiration date, they'll freeze it and mark the price down. So I got this for $2 or $3. So if I can get it out of the package, I'm going to put it right in the slow cooker. I was able to break these apart, so I'm just putting them in a dry slow cooker. Nothing else added, one ingredient. I'm going to cook these on high and we'll see what happens. We'll be back later. There's the sausage thief. Honey the cat was trying to snatch those sausages out of the pot in the beginning. It's been 3 hours and 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Wow, those browned up nicely. I'm going to toast this pretzel bun and then we'll try one out. I'm surprised these got such nice color on them. That's the bottom side right there. I didn't do anything fancy. I just put some mustard on my bun so I could taste it. So let's try it out. That's pretty good. You know, it's really tender and quite a bit of the fat cooked out, which I really don't mind because it's probably a little bit healthier that way. Wonder what Annie will think of this. She seems excited. Here you go, Annie. Well, I guess it's Annie approved. Well, it doesn't get much easier than that. That was bratwurst, but it should work with any kind of sausage. Just have to plan ahead a little bit. Just put them in there and go play some video games or something. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.